If you're looking for high-speed home internet that doesn't break the bank, there's never been a better time to make the switch to satellite internet with HughesNet. Now, as a HughesNet authorized retailer, we are proud to provide homes across the continental United States with a high-speed connection thanks to HughesNet's Gen5 internet technology. Plus, we are constantly offering a wide variety of incentives and special promotions when you make the switch. For a limited time, new HughesNet customers will receive a $75 prepaid gift card with the purchase of any HughesNet plan, courtesy of Satellite for Internet. If you call one of our live agents today, just mention the promo code SAT75 to receive your gift card. All HughesNet plans also come with whole home Wi-Fi included, so that you can easily connect all your favorite devices such as smartphones, smart TVs, tablets, and more. They're also currently offering free standard installation, so you can let one of their trained installation specialists handle the whole process for you. And if you're worried about data restrictions, HughesNet also provides an additional 50 gigabytes per month of bonus data on all plans from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m., which is perfect for large downloads. HughesNet also prides itself on being one of the only satellite internet providers that has no hard data caps, so you never have to worry about being suddenly disconnected from the internet. They also include a free video data saver that automatically optimizes all video content to stream fluidly with no interruptions. Switching to HughesNet isn't only just for home internet service. You can bundle home internet with HughesNet voice phone service. That means you can provide your home with the best in home internet and phone service while saving big. Switching to HughesNet has never been easier or more streamlined, so sign up today and don't forget to mention promo code SAT75 for your free $75 prepaid gift card. We hope you have an awesome day, and as always, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe.